Hi everyone. Today I want to tell you about Python programming language. Introductions to programming with Python. Programming basics. Code or source code, the sequence of instructions in the program. Syntax, the set of legal structures and commands that can be used in a particular programming language. Output, the messages printed to the user by a program. Console, the text box onto which output is printed. Some source code editors pop up the console as an external window, and others contain their own console window. Compling and interpreting. Many languages require you to comply, translate your program into a form that the machine understands. Comply, execute. Python is instead directly interpreted into machine instructions. Interpret. The Python interpreter. Python is an interpreted language. The interpreter provides an interactive environment to play with the language. A result of expressions are printed on the screen. Expressions. Expressions a data value or set of operation to uh, compute a value. Compute a value. Examples. Arithmetics operator we will use addition, subtractions, negation, multiplication, division, models, remainder, exponentation, percents, order in which operation are computed have a higher precedence than plus and minus. Parentheses can be used for force a certain order of evaluation. Integer division. When we divide integers with the quotient is also an integer. More examples. The operator computes are remained from a division of integers. Real numbers. Python can also manipulate real numbers. The operators plus, minus, etc. All works for real numbers. They produce an exact answer. The same rules of precedence also apply to real numbers. Evaluate before this when integers and reals are mixed, the result is a real number. Example. The conversion occurs on a peer operator basis. Math commands. Python has useful commands, are called functions, for performing calculation. Command name, description, ADC value, absolute value, sale value, rounds up, cost value, cosine in radians, floor value, rounds down, log value, logarithm base e, log 10 value, logarithm base 10, max, value 1 and value 2, large of 2 value, mean value 1 and value 2, smaller of 2 values, round value, nearest whole number, sin value, sine in radians, square value, square root, constant e and p. To use many of these commands, you must write the following at the top of your Python program from math import. Number floating point, int and number converts to the integer. Float x converts x to a floating point. The interpret shown a lot of digits. For example, variables. Variables a named piece of memory that can store a value. Usage. Compute an expression result, store that result into a variable, and use that variable later in the program. Assignment statements stores a value into a variable. Syntax. Examples. A variable that has been given a value can be used in expressions. X plus 4 is 9. Exercise. Evaluate the quadratic equation for a given a, b and c. Example. Print. Print produces text output on the console. Print message, print expression. Print the give text message or expression value on the console and moves the cursor down to the next line. Print item 1, item 2 and item n. Print several message and or expressions on the same line. Examples. Print hello world, age 45, print you have 65 age, years until retirement. Output. Hello world, you have 20 years until retirement. That's all. Bye.